Hello everyone! Today we are going to be making mummy dogs. Yay! And in the spirit of Halloween, I decided to wear my giraffe onesie. Isn't it so cute? So let's get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do is wash our hands. To make mummy dogs, you will need hot dogs and crescent dough sheet. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 375. Now we're going to open up our crescent dough. This can be a little tricky to open, so you might have to bang it. Now we're going to roll out the crescent dough so it's all laid flat. With a pizza cutter, cut the crescent dough into long strips. Now we have a hot dog and a crescent strip, and we're going to start wrapping the strip around the hot dog. We keep wrapping until it's fully covered and looks like a mummy. And this is how your mummy dog should look before it goes in the oven. Now it's time to lightly grease the baking sheet. Place the mummy dogs onto the baking sheet. Now it's time to use the oven. We will need oven mitts to open the oven because it's very hot. Now it's time to place the baking sheet with the mummy dogs on the rack. Bake the mummy dogs for 13 to 15 minutes or until it looks golden. Our mummy dogs are done. It's time to grab those oven mitts and be very careful since the oven is still very hot. Make sure to turn off the oven because that can be very dangerous if left on. Now it's time to grab a little bit of mustard and a toothpick to make eyes for the mummy dogs. Now this is how your mummy dogs look once it's all cooled down. Now it's time for our last step, which is to eat and enjoy.